Hey guys, so I've been contemplating getting a lip spoiler down here. I see a lot of you guys have them. Either it's like the eBay ones or there's a couple more manufacturers that you guys are saying are a little bit better made. I like how they look. They flow, I think, really well with the gloss here and all that. But there's one thing that's holding me back from getting that. I mean, I've seen a lot of you guys show pictures how they snap off in the middle if you hit something right here. These sites seem to hold up pretty good, but the middle piece seems to snap really easily. But every time, almost every single day, it's kind of funny, when I go to work, there's this crazy cat that flies in front of my car on the road. My dash cam picked it up. I want to show you guys. So this is just right in front of my house when I leave in the morning, and it's the same spot too. So I slowed it down here and I put a little red circle around it so you can see. But it's weird how it's always the same area. It's the same pattern. So right there, it came pretty close. Some days are closer than others, but it's the one thing that is making me hesitant to get one. So for now, I don't think I'm gonna pick up one of the lips, we'll see. Maybe they'll have a stronger one or something, but what I am gonna get, I'm actually looking at is I guess you call it a lip spoiler that goes right below the fog lights. You can get gloss or matte black, but I like the gloss black that ties this in here and it goes over on the front. So it goes right here and then it carries on. And I like it because it goes onto the actual bumper too. So it won't hang down low. So if you did hit something, it shouldn't snap off. A lot of you guys have it, and I haven't heard of many issues as long as you apply it right. And it's just held on with 3M tape too. So it'll flow with the gloss black here and then tie the bottom in. So I like that. I think for now I'm gonna go that route until the crazy cat disappears. But yeah, I don't know. It's a one thing every time I go to work. I'm thinking, man, if I do ever hit that cat, it's sad that I'll hit the cat. And the other part is it's gonna rip the little lip spoiler off. So I don't really see the whole point of it for me, but it does look really good. So hope everyone's doing good. And I will talk to you guys later. I appreciate all the support. Thanks, guys.